हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूं प्रशांत। आज के हम स्टार्ट करने वाले सेशन नंबर 11, इंट्रोडक्शन टू ARM 7। ARM 7 is a 32-bit processor core designed by ARM Limited. It belongs to the ARM family and follows the RISC architecture, known for simple instruction set, fast performance, and low power consumption. It is commonly used in embedded systems, consumer electronics, automotive applications. ARM 7 core used in popular microcontrollers like LPC2148. It supports both 32-bit ARM and 16-bit thumb instruction for better efficiency. In description, GPIO ports two ports, port 0 P0.02 P0.31 and port 1 P1.162 P31. Each pin can be individually configured as input or output. Pins support alternative functions through the pin cell registers. Pin cell 0, pin cell 1, pin cell 2 are used to configure functions of registers. Pin cell value 00 selects GPIO mode while 01 select alternate function on the pin. Direction control using IO0 DIR and IOI DIR registers. Input and output operations performed IOX set, IOX CLR, and IOX registers. Introduction to ARM as RISC machine. ARM stands for Advanced RISC Machine. Based on RISC, the list instruction set architecture, key RISC features, simple and fast instructions, most instructions complete in one clock cycle, only specific instructions access memory, fixed length 32-bit instructions used in embedded system due to low power, high performance, and cost efficiency. Overview of ARM family. ARM family includes several versions. ARM 7 basic core used in many microcontrollers, LPC 2148, ARM 9/ARM 11, improved performance for mobile and multimedia, Cortex M series for embedded and real-time systems, Cortex A series for smartphones and tablets, Cortex R series for real-time systems like automotive control, widely used by companies like NXP, STM Microelectronics, and TI. Features of ARM LPC 2148 based on ARM 7 score 32-bit, runs up to 60 MHz. Memory 512 KB flash, 32 KB SRAM, peripherals 10-bit ADC 14 channel, 2 RTs, SPI I2C, PWM outputs, timers, watchdog timers, RTC. Processor operating modes ARM 7 TDMI. ARM 7 TDMI has 7 operating modes, each designed for a specific purpose. These modes help the processor handle tasks like running programs, handling interrupts, and managing system errors. List of modes. User mode used for normal program execution. Least privilege mode, no access to protected systems resources. IRQ, interrupt request mode, used for general purpose interrupts. Saves programs state and jumps to an interrupt handler. FIQ, fast interrupt mode, used to handle high priority fast interrupts, has extra registers for faster response. Supervisor SVC mode, entered on reset or software interrupt, used by the operating system or system software. About mode, entered when memory access error occurs, helps handle faults like accessing in undefined mode. Entered when an undefined instruction is executed, helps manage unexpected software issues. System mode, similar to user mode but full access to system resources used by operating systems to run to list mode. आज के लेक्चर में इतना ही। थैंक यू।